Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy. I'm back for another video. Yes, I have an unboxing to do. I have an unboxing. Yes, this is not planned. I didn't plan to do an unboxing video for this particular item. As you can see, I'm wearing the same dress where I did the bag video. This box arrived today. I mentioned I haven't been buying anything, or I haven't been buying lately, but this one I cannot help it. I have to buy it. I really have to buy it. When I saw the picture of this bag, oh yes, this is a bag. When I saw the picture of this bag, and I fell in love with it. Initially, I don't have, like, even if I receive this bag, I have no plans of doing an unboxing, but the situation that this box came in, as you can see, is not good. I don't know with UPS, like, why this is already wrapped in plastic and it should be secured, but for some reason this one doesn't look like an accident. This looks like it has been cut off. It has a smooth edges to it, and plus this part, which has been taped, is also cut. So I don't believe this is an accident, USPS. So I don't know. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing and see the status of this bag. So before we start, hopefully everything is okay in there. I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back and for your support. Now, can't wait to open this box. Usually I wait longer. Yeah, I usually wait longer. Where's my cutter? Let's see what's going on with this. So this is not a Coach bag. This is a pre-loved bag that I got my Louis Vuitton salon. I got my Louis Vuitton salon from her. She's on Facebook. So if you're interested, write a comment down below if you're interested in where I purchased this bag. Yeah. Hopefully it is secured. Yeah, see what's going on with this box. Like, how come it's open like this? I'm surprised. Let's open it, and I hope the condition of this bag is good. When I order this one, I'm so excited. I can't wait to receive this bag. So yes, you can see it's a Celine bag. It is a Celine bag. This is pre-loved. It's one of my favorite colors for bags. For the seller of this bag, she offers layaway. Okay, you ready? You ready for the reveal? It's the other way around. It's a Celine. She said this is a micro luggage, but it feels like it's smaller than the micro luggage. I don't know what's the name of the smaller one. But yes, when I asked her what's the name of this bag, she said it's a Celine micro. No, she said this is a Celine mini luggage. So I was expecting it to be bigger, but it seems like it is smaller than the mini luggage, which is better. I think it's better because I know that the Celine mini luggage is huge and heavy, and this one is not. And look at that, it comes with twilly. She gave me twilly, 2 of them. So this bag looks good. It is in a good condition. beveled leather. I am happy. I am happy. I'm not going to the detail on this bag. I wanna do another video for this particular one. But yes, I am happy. Ah, this is not damaged. It looks new. I mean, it's used, but it doesn't look so used. It has like a scratch mark here, but this is nice. This is nice. Just a quick try on, because I know this is only a top handle bag, no crossbody. So there you go. It's a quick unboxing of this bag. The Celine, I don't know, micro, nano, mini. Maybe this is a micro luggage. Let me know. I know this is red. This is a luggage, but I'm not sure if this is a micro or mini luggage, because she told me this is a mini luggage. But yes, I hope you like this short unboxing video that I did today. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!